Hey guys, so if this is your problem, where basically the doorbell, you have to hold the doorbell to make it ring all the way, and I'm going to show you how to fix this. So what you want to do is first is turn off your electricity so you don't get electrocuted. So this is, my breaker box, the one I have to turn off. Go ahead and take off the, the cover for the actual doorbell. And you want to loosen the two screws that hold the two wires. One wire goes to the chime box, the other one goes to the transformer that's in our garage. So go ahead and just unscrew those. Don't unscrew them all the way, but just loosen them up because you're going to want to put a diode in there, which is the fix. So I'll show you what that is in a second. So go on, like I said, unscrew those just a little bit. And there you see one of the wires came out, but that's okay. We're going to fix that. So this is what it looks like. Basically, the wires are behind this plate that's screwed into the doorbell. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put the diode behind there. Or actually, sorry, we're going to put the diode like under the screw. So just so you guys have some background on what a diode is, it's basically a semiconductor. And what it does is it continues to force electricity to the doorbell after you've let the actual button go. And so electricity only goes one way with this diode. And so, i.e., you want it to go to the chime box. And so that's what you'll see. The silver side is basically the side that you want to put to the chime box. And so that way it finishes the entire ring chime instead of just playing it for the time that you're holding the button. So then after you've got that diode in there, go ahead and screw the screws tight so that way the plate is holding the diode and your wires. I'm going to show you a better picture of this since I know this isn't basically the closest picture, so wait for it. Okay, here we go. So here's the diode and the wires. Like I said, the silver side is the one you want going towards the actual box, and so that happens to be the left wire on mine. You can try it, doing it the other way. I actually had it on backwards first and it didn't work. I've seen where it does work, but normally you want to put the silver side towards the chime box. So once you've got all that screwed back in, then go ahead and put your doorbell back into the into the wall there, and that's basically it. So we'll give it a little test run. And there you go. So now it's working fine and it finishes the ring chime. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.